pretty comfy. Oh. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, it's same on each side, is unhook the fog lights, the fog light, you know, Frankenstein fog lights that I have here. Jerry rig fog lights, very easy. And then right by the fog lights, we got a bolt right there. We got to unhook that from this bracket. It's easier to just unhook the one. Yep, we got a 15 mil right here. Yeah, selling my truck for $50,000. Never touch the mud, never touch off the pavement, never touch gravel either. Look at that, right? Just joking, guys. I am an honest man. So we also got to cut this out. I realized that. Otherwise, I'm going to be ripping that whole fog light out, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to get that rest of that bolt out. You also got these two bolts right here. This is I had to get a breaker bar out because my socket kit's too small. I also don't want to break a socket again. So it looks like we're using a 13/16 on to get that on there. Perfect fit. I think you can get a 22 mil, but it's going to be a little loose. Come on, Gloomius. You can get it out for me. I realize that this camera has such a better microphone that I could be using a GoPro, but I'm not. Alright, there we go. And then as for these bolts, got one out already. No, it's going to not come out for me, and this isn't a socket wrench, so maybe I can do that. And before I get these bolts too loose, you want to start on the other side as well. But also, you also need to remove the pins holding in this piece. You got like an auto trim tool for interiors, makes it a lot easier. You also don't have to buy new ones too. There's that, and I think there's one more right here. Come on, give me a bingo. There it is. So yeah, then we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I think, right here. 4 or 5.
Alright, I got the scissors. Not fitted. 4.
Oh! Back to the 15 mil, because I got the 2 loose on the frame.
Oh, there we go. Art thou loosen it.
Oh, the fog light rubber casing was about to fall. Can I have that?
There we go, got that side bolt again. Just cut the whole fog light wiring out because the relays are swamped. Well, the relay is swamped for the fog. It didn't cut. Second, I thought I did cut the wire.
Yeah.
Number 2. What? Bumper better not fall. Bolt.
No, fall.
What's that?
Oh!
Boom. Victory.
Excuse me.
Should be it.
That's it.
And that's when the Baja Silverado has been born.
Look at that. Looks like one of those 80s Silverados you see they're pieced together in someone's backyard and has a run in 20 years. Looks nice. Bumper. So now I'm thinking cutting this like right here and then giving it a real sand dune look to hit the sand dunes in Pennsylvania.
Now I guess we'll just start unbolting stuff and see what happens.
Yep, we sure got ourselves on a wreck this time. Guys, there it's starting to rain and everything, but just keep moving on. So trying to get this piece off, as you can see from that, and you have to take these off first, and they're not too easy. I should have modded this way in the beginning, but we didn't, so I'm trying to get that piece off. Then we have a few more bolts, and then we'll be able to separate these two pieces. And I'm probably going to repaint the ends of these because they're all starting to rust. Same with stuff on the frame of the truck.
There we go. It's off. Finally.
So one of two things is going to happen here. We're either going to swap this out or we're going to get a whole new bumper. So I'm going to be checking on that tonight. Let me know what I should do. But yeah, I'm going to try to paint up and touch up some of this stuff now. Well, it's raining now, so I'm not going to be able to paint today. Hey guys, here at the Chevy dealer. If I were to buy another gas truck, it'd probably be this one right here. 2015 E85 ethanol flex fuel, you can see right there. It's got the satellite radio standard, non-touchscreen on the inside. Got the full crew cab on the back. It's got a little longer bed. Would prefer the shorter one, but that looks good as well. Yeah, I'm really liking this truck right here, and look at this exhaust tip. Wow. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. I mean, 2015, I think it's like 20,000 miles on it or something like that. Dang, it's not. There's no paper or anything on it. Must have been a new trade-in. But yeah, color match door handles. Really like that option. You can see it's a EA5, so I need that. Yep, big axles on these. Bigger axles opposed to the 1500s. But I love these body styles, man. This is better than the newest one, and I'm thinking it's going to look a lot better than the 2020 as well. So this is what I'd pick up if I was buying another gas truck. I'd go right here. Satellite radio, no touchscreen, and EA5 ethanol. You got yourself a nice truck right here.
Well, we sure have to hack that thing off.
Look how square that is. Love it. And they do have power, because I've driven one of these before. If you remember, I think like two years ago, around the 4th of July, I drove one of these in a video. So if you want to see that video, it was really nice. I also talked to the body shop guys about working on the Silverado and the blue one in the first round of color matching like 6 months ago. So yeah, sad to say thanks for that, because the truck looks amazing. And yeah, I went to this place actually, but this truck is amazing here. You don't see too many of these here. It's usually 1500s, not in white, not in 2500. So I want to share this truck with you guys. They also have new Duramaxes and stuff here as well. But this is definitely something you don't see here very often. So yeah, the truck is dropped off. Get back in a few days. Keep you guys updated. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's hit the gym now, get some food. Yeah, it's a nice one. I think if I unplug the one braided cord right here, I'll be able to disable the rear view mirror, the rear view camera. I'm trying to disable everything on this truck. Save power, you know?